uniquely finished in factory Salisbury Blue, with navy blue hide and matching Alcantara trim and dark blue Wilton carpeting. One of only 32 produced in right-hand drive, exceptionally well preserved and maintained by just 2 owners from new. Now displaying a total mileage of just 8,370 miles, covered from new. Last owned for 20 years and kept in climate-controlled garaging. Regularly dry weather exercised over a camera-free 25-mile Sussex route. There's no doubting this superb and rare Aston Martin V8 Vantage Zagato should be considered tick box in satisfying the exacting criteria of most collectors and drivers when hunting down that elusive and best example of the model to collect and enjoy. Maintained and serviced by Nicholas Mee Company exclusively over the last 20 years, and previously kept by the supplying Aston Martin Agents, Chapman Spooner Ltd. This V8 Vantage Zagato remains in its as-built specification, currently fitted with standard V8 Vantage Ronal road wheels. The original and unique Zagato designed road wheels are currently stored and are supplied with the car. Original documentation accompanying this exceptional Zagato includes all maintenance and service invoices, continuous MOT certificates, the original owner's handbook, the manufacturer's original period press releases, and brochures contained within a Zagato presentation folder, which also contains first owner, supplying dealer, and manufacturer correspondence. The original Aston Martin Zagato paint colour sample book, a copy of a 1987 performance car magazine road test, and original press releases further accompany the car. Built in one of the more attractive colour combinations, this example, with its beautifully preserved original paintwork and with an unmarked interior, was last supplied by ourselves in 2003, forming part of the collection of an esteemed Aston Martin collector known for his high standards of care and devotion to maintaining the quality of his collection, whilst also very regularly exercising each car on a predetermined, camera-free rural route. Without doubt, one of the finest examples of this rare model, with distinctive and characteristically 1980s styling, the Vantage Zagato is acknowledged by Aston Martin aficionados and collectors of the marque as one of the most outstanding driving and performing models from Aston Martin's back catalogue of greats. Today, this rare and exclusive product of a successful British and Italian collaboration represents an interesting value opportunity to collectors, in particular when measured against peer group limited edition offerings. With Ferrari's 288 GTO and Porsche's 959, both limited edition supercars manufactured in the same period and both currently commanding substantially greater figures from collectors and enthusiasts. Complete with its comprehensive history file, owner's handbooks, comprehensive documentation, the originally supplied 2-roll spare keys and car cover. This car is supplied inclusive of a manufacturer's scheduled service, detailed preparation, and a 12-month warranty, in a superb, well-maintained and excellent condition, with extremely low mileage, just 2 owners from new, and in being finished in a highly complementary colour combination. We recommend to interested parties a prompt response and arrangement to view this exceptional and rare car at our Hertfordshire showrooms.